there everyone, Eric Wooldridge here, the Additive Manufacturing Center for HTCS here at Somerset Community College. And we're in that analysis process of Floodbuster 1, going through the details and seeing things that we like, that we don't like, and optimizing the overall design. Now, this isn't really so much a design change as it is just really drawing in and paying attention to some of the great finishing work that our Operative Plasterers and Cement Union guys did for us on the project. Really just credit to them and their skill level and what they actually have put together. It's like a swatch, if you will, of different finishes that you can apply. And it is amazing not only how quickly they did this, but just right on the fly while some of this was being printed. This texture specifically, you can see the clean, slick finish looks just like drywall. It can be applied right to the 3D printed wall with virtually no prep. They actually just jumped in and started working it. The other side, you've got the texturing here, and then you have some of the darker textures that they can apply. You even have like a concrete kind of mixture at the top kind of look, all of which can be used to enhance the overall design. And different architectural features can complement this texturing depending on where you're printing, where your house is going to be, and maybe even like what is the local architecture that it needs to reflect. So this really just shows what you can do with 3D printed walls and just straightforward skill work in terms of texturing and how you can enhance the design. Now some folks will absolutely love the layer lines that you see there, and then some folks will actually love the smooth texture finish. Now this of course can be on the inside as well and used in place of drywall. So you don't actually have to add in the extra sheetrock. You can just use this finish texture and we're ready to go. There's a lot of options and even more to come in the overall process. We wanted to really just draw attention to this and compliment the guys on putting this together and how great it looks, but also just to show you these are your options. You don't actually have to see the layer lines in your finished product. You totally can, or you can actually do a mix thereof. So definitely something to consider as you're planning your overall project going forward. As always, thanks for watching. These are the kind of things that we'll be building into the training process. Be checking out some of the links that we provide for registering for some of our upcoming courses that work with construction 3D printing. So, again, thanks for watching. We'll see you.